Oh, that shit just exploded. What the fuck is that? Yo. Yes, sir. You already know the deal, man. We're outside tonight. Putting some air in this one right now. We're about to go to a car meet. I took it to a last car meet, but today we got a different kind. You guys see the M on the... You guys see the M emblem on the bottom? The red, you know what I'm saying? I took off my front plate because cops be dick riding me and shit. It don't even look that bad though. I kind of don't want it on at all. I gotta wash, but it's been raining for the past 2 days. But I'll probably wash tomorrow again so we can be clean. Oh, I got spaces on my back. I ordered the front ones. They're actually here. I gotta go pick them up. Straight gunshots out here, man. Movie. Listen to that. Woo. Always with my son. What's up, baby? The first 2 spots I went to, the cops pulled up, so we didn't even get to the spot. And we on to the next location, see what's up. Nah, people are wildin', boy. People are going crazy out here, man. People need to be safe. I need a driver, word, because I literally can't. It's so hard to record and, you know, keep up with everybody. I see red and blue lights. It looks like the cops already over here. Yeah, it looks like the cops already over here, word. People need to be safe, man. They be wildin', cutting up crazy. This ain't Need for Speed, baby. Don't tell me that they are over here too, bruh. Oh yeah, look at the cops right there. It looks like they here already, man. They beat us to it. Wildin'. Yo.
Fuck you at?
¿Tú seguiste derecho?
Yeah, nigga, the cop is in there.
I know, I did too, but I'm at the light right now. Where you at?
I made a left.
Oh,
I'm about to got my plate though right now.
So I guess we're going to Queens right now. I ain't gonna lie. I just passed by a trooper going like 70. I ain't even gonna lie. I didn't see that nigga. Wait a minute. Where's the Y? It's up, BB? What? This nigga got a whole bag in his plate. Nah, I thought a tape was crazy. Nah. There's a whole fire. What? Nah, bro, go, bro. Black smoke like it just happened type shit. Oh, that shit just exploded. What the fuck is that? Yo. Nah, you wildin', bruh. That's your man shit? He got out though, right? Nah. That's wild. I hope that nigga got out, bro. That's a straight up fire movie. Viral. What? Nah, what the
I saw the fire.
And then the nigga pulled up and that he said that's his man shit, so he's trying to figure out if he good. Crazy shit going on outside, man. If you can't hang, bro, stay in your house. Nah, people are wildin'. This is scary, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Cause let me tell you something. I don't wanna get hit by nothing. Nothing, bro. Man, we still outside though. I don't know where we going next. We just pulled up on another spot and the freaking cops are already there again, bro. So I don't even know what we're gonna do now, man. But we outside. What is that, Honda? Oh, that's Richard car. Yo, Richard, look at the car you want, bro. That's 2000. Where is it? Right there. That's right there. That's 2000. You already know. That's your car, bro. I got you. And then after this accident that just happened, you best believe that they're following us everywhere we go. And there's a lot of cars, so it's easy to follow. You feel me? Yo, if you watch this video, stay safe. Stop driving like a maniac, bro. Chill out, bro. You already know. We outside, man. We're next to the bridge. We got blue. It was just red. Ain't my car going crazy? Pop, 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 nigga. Let's go. Hey, yo, that shit go crazy. Yo, who wanna drive? Which one of y'all wanna drive for me, man? So I can record some videos, bro. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful color. It's going to orange now, yellow. Oh, man. Nothing like New York, man. Nothing like New York. Then we even spend those shit. Fuck you talking about? We spend anything, bruh. Oh, they going crazy. I ate my dirt. Oh, whatever. Tired. Whatever the fuck. Samuel Huidero. Nigga, yo, I don't know why you came over here, bro. Huh?
They're gonna have to get me.
Nigga, you came the wrong way, though. Why you came all the way up here? He got the stabilizer. He's chilling. Nah, niggas is going through sidewalks and shit. Nah, maldito loco, todo. That shit was lit, bro. I don't even know. I think I ate mad rubber, bro. I ate OD of that shit. Cause I don't know how to keep my mouth shut, my nigga. Every time I open my shit, whoop, un fuetazo de fucking rubber and shit. I appreciate you, dog. What's this? Oof. Got M3. New shit. Fire. Bing bong. Yo.
I got a Max Payne collar.
Alright, bye.
You know what it is, nigga? De que la gente ve que yo ando en car, me van, and I put it up, niggas start calling me for happy. So like, nigga, leave me alone.
Oh, yeah, we're outside. Cops already fucking here, dick sucking. Wow. Niggas is always here, bro, in 2 seconds, bro. Oh, they everywhere now. DT, dude. Oh. Nah, they here early. Yo, you got here too early, man. Ah, we out of here. We out of here. Fuck that. Fuck that. God damn, why they always dick riding? We outside. We outside. You already know. Crazy. Right now I'm gonna go to the last one, bro, and then after that I think we're gonna call it a day or night because, you know, bro, we've been driving right now, bro. We went from like Yonkers all the way into Yonkers to the Bronx to Queens some more, to more Queens, some Bronx, and then Brooklyn. Now we're gonna go to Brooklyn. After this, I think I'm gonna call it. That's it, because I don't know, bro. We just not, you know, we're not really getting into that much action. You know, there was a car that blew up, went crazy. And then, you know, we got some cars that spin and shit, but other than that, nothing too exciting, nothing crazy. That car's been crazy. Oh my god, this guy's lights is bright as fuck. God damn. Damn, what happened now, guys? We already seen an accident today, man. Not another one. Oh shit! The car is on this side of the street. Oh shit!